Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webull app and set up paper trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, search for the Webull app in your device's app store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android devices, launch the Google Play Store. Once in the App Store, type Webull in the search bar. Find the Webull app, which features a blue logo with a bull. Tap on Install or Get to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading, then open it. When the app opens, you'll see the option to create a new account or log in. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. After verification, complete the required personal information like your name and phone number. Next, provide your financial information and trading experience when prompted. Read and agree to Webull's user agreement and privacy policy. Once all information is submitted, you may receive a confirmation email. Now, log in to your Webull account. After logging in, navigate to the bottom menu and tap on the More option. Scroll down and select Paper Trading from the list. Tap on the button to enable paper trading. You may need to enter some additional information to activate this feature. Once enabled, your paper trading account will be set up. Explore the app interface to familiarize yourself with the features. You can practice trading without real funds by accessing the market. Review stock charts and place simulated trades to gain confidence. Utilize the educational resources available in the app for further learning. Now, you're ready to start practicing your trading skills using the Webull app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.